Tag along, understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unpack the meaning of the phrase, tag along. This is a phrase you'll often hear in both formal and informal English. So, let's dive in and learn how to use it properly in your daily conversations. Tag along is a phrasal verb that means to accompany someone to a place or an event, usually without being specifically invited. It implies following someone else or joining a group informally. Think of it as being like an informal +1 to an event. The phrase, tag along, originated from the idea of a small, informal attachment or addition, much like a tag on clothing. Over time, it came to refer to someone joining in with others, often in a casual or spontaneous way. Using tag along is quite straightforward. Here are a few examples. Do you mind if I tag along to the movie tonight? My brother decided to tag along on our road trip at the last minute. She was happy to tag along with her friends to the new art gallery. While tag along is the most common way to use this phrase, you might also hear tagging along. This is the present continuous form and is used when the action is currently happening. Tagged along, the past tense form, used when the action has already happened. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, tag along, with confidence. English is full of such phrases that can add color and precision to your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to tag along with us for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.